dope in the trash can. These niggas been copping out this smoke, we done passed that. I'm tired of that hoe wanna hear her friend because her ass fat. My bro told him I'm crack, I don't know why he did. Wish I was right there on that drill, I ain't seen my dog in a minute. You ain't gotta ask me to switch the Glock, just know that we.
Guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your microphone boom arm as a tripod for you to use your phone on. Like, if you don't have a cameraman, like I don't, like, if you don't have anybody but yourself, like the editor. I'm the editor, cameraman. I'm the cameraman for my YouTube channel. So, yeah, so let's get straight into today's video. But before we get into it, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Make sure to turn those post notifications on so you don't miss out on my videos. So, yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so now what you're going to do is, if you have an Android, Samsung, or iPhone, what you're going to do is, if you don't have a phone case, go buy a phone case that has a kickstand on it. I don't remember what they're actually called, but go and get one that has a kickstand on it. And once you have a kickstand, and once you bought one that has a kickstand on it, what you're gonna do is, let me show you. Alright, so if you bought, I'm gonna tell you which one to even buy. So try and buy one that can like make the kickstand turn 360, where it can turn 360. Once you bought one that can turn a 360 way, what you're gonna do is turn it like this. Turn it to where it's like that. Then what you wanna do is put your phone in it. Mine can't fit in this, so if yours can't fit in it, but you already have a phone case on your phone, then just buy one that's just like this one off of Amazon or at Walmart or whatever, and then get some tape and scissors, and then cut it until it's like long, and then it can wrap around your phone. And put your phone into the phone case first, and then if it doesn't fit, just get a long piece of tape, like this one, and then just put it at the end, like so, and then just make it wrap around it, like that. Here, let me get a phone that will not fit in this. Alright, so I have this giant iPhone. It's really giant. Let me just take it out, this broken phone case. This is probably a too giantable phone, but it's whatever. Then what you want to do, first let me get the freaking phone in, actually. Bro, this phone's too freaking big, but it's whatever. Then what you want to do is put it all around it, like that, ladies and gents, like this, and then just put it on, like so, and there you go. You have a, I'm not gonna say homemade, because I don't think it's a homemade tripod. It's still store-bought or Amazon bought, whatever you call it. The boom arm you bought, but the boom arm you bought, basically, I wouldn't say it's a homemade tripod. Basically, y'all can call it a homemade tripod, but for me, I wouldn't, because it's basically not homemade. And maybe it's a little homemade. If you don't have a phone that will fit in this, like I told you, just get some tape, wrap it around it. Get a long piece of tape, pause, and just wrap it around it, and it will fit. And then put it on this thing right here on the tripod, or on the boom arm, right there, and then put the kickstand over it so it'll like lay on it, and then it'll do its thing. But yeah, ladies and gents, that is how you make a OnLight tripod. If this video helped you, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Make sure to turn the post notifications on so you won't miss out on any of my videos. And me, David, is out. Peace.